Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class progressions. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Reference is here. Solution. Given sum of first 7 terms of an AP is equal to 49. We have a formula Sn of AP is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have 7 is n here. Then in place of n by 2, 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 is 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 49. Now this is 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6, so 6d is equal to, here we have 49, and this 7 by 2 comes to the right hand side and becomes into 2 by 7, reciprocal of this 7 by 2. Now 7 7s are 49, cancelled. Now this is 2a plus 6d is equal to 7 2s are 14. Now divide by 2 on both sides. 2a becomes a plus 6d becomes 3d is equal to 14 becomes 7 after division by 2. Let this be equation 1. Sum of first 17 terms of an AP is equal to 289. This is given in the question. Now 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 289 after applying the formula. Now this is 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16. So this is 16d is equal to 289 into this 17 by 2 comes to the right hand side and becomes 2 by 17. Reciprocal of 17 by 2 is 2 by 17. 17 17 is 289. Then 2a plus 16d is equal to 17 into 2, 34. Divide by 2 on both sides. Now this becomes a plus 16d becomes 8d, that is equal to 17. This is equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1 gives a plus 8d minus a plus 3d is equal to 17 minus 7. A plus 8d minus a minus into plus minus 3d is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. Plus a minus a are cancelled. Now 8d minus 3d is 5d, that is equal to 10. D equal to 10 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Then D equal to 2. Substituting D value in equation 1. A plus 3D equal to 7 is the equation 1. Then A plus 3 into 2, D is 2, is equal to 7. A plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. This plus 6 comes to the right hand side and becomes minus 6. Then A is equal to 1. Sum of first n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. That is equal to n by 2 into 2a. A is nothing but 1 plus n minus 1 is as it is n minus 1, since we have to find out sum of first n terms, into d is 2. That is equal to n by 2 into 2 1s are 2 plus 2 into n, 2n. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Here plus 2 and minus 2 are cancelled. Therefore that is equal to n by 2 into 2n. Here 2 and 2 are cancelled since we have into relation here. Then n into n is n square. Therefore sum of first n terms is equal to n square, answer. In the second method, this is very short method. Given S7 is equal to 49, that is nothing but 7 square. We have 7 here. S17 is equal to 289. This 289 is nothing but 17 square. we have 17 here. Similarly, if we want to find out Sn, that will become n square. Then Sn is equal to n square. Here we have Sn is equal to n square. Answer.